Why track family nutrition and wellness apps?
Family wellness starts with understanding daily meals and habits. By tracking what everyone eats, parents can spot patterns, set goals, and encourage healthier choices. Many wellness apps make this process simple, helping you see the big picture from breakfast through bedtime snacks, so your family stays on track together.
Getting started. Setting up profiles.
Most wellness apps let you create individual profiles for each family member. Add names, ages, and basic info to customize nutrition goals. This makes it easier to log meals for everyone, track specific needs like allergies, and monitor family progress all in one place.
Logging meals and snacks together.
Logging meals is quick and often just a few taps away. Use your app's barcode scanner or search function to find foods, or enter meals manually. Many apps offer time-saving shortcuts like saving favorite recipes, copying meals across days, and logging the same meal for multiple family members at once.
Analyzing nutrition habits.
Wellness apps provide easy-to-read charts and summaries. View each family member's daily intake of calories, vitamins, and key nutrients. Spot trends and see where changes might help, like adding more vegetables or reducing sugary snacks. These insights can spark productive family conversations about healthy choices.
Tips for making tracking a family habit.
Make nutrition tracking fun and sustainable for everyone. Set shared goals, celebrate small wins, and check in together at mealtimes. Some apps offer badges or rewards for streaks. Remember, consistency is key. Regular tracking leads to better awareness and lasting wellness for your whole family.